There is a growing trend of giving your furniture, walls, floors, curtains, etc. a new look by painting over them using stencils. With DIY stencil, you can customize almost anything you like and add your personal touch. Hey guys, welcome back to Design by Misha, a YouTube channel that brings to you a lot of ideas and inspiration for your home. Before we get into this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram. You can go out and buy a stencil. However, you may not find a design you like easily. Fortunately, making a stencil at home is easy. Let's take a quick look at how my DIY stencil project turned out. Here is all the items you need. I have shared Amazon link to all the products in this video description. Now that we all know all the materials we need, let's get started. Find a pattern you love. Spend some time and try to find a pattern that you really like. I found my pattern via Pinterest and printed out to the size. If you are artistic, you can try drawing a design freehand sketch stencil. You can find inspiring patterns online in books, upholstery, china, or wallpaper. Line up your stencil design. Place your design on your cutting mat. If you don't have one, you don't need to go out and buy one. Use a piece of cardboard. Place the OHP sheet over it and tape them together so that it doesn't move during the next step. Trace your stencil design. Use a fine tip marker. Start tracing your design. Take your time to trace the design. Make sure that you get the design right. At this stage, you can customize the stencil design if you want. You can use the print as a base template and add or remove design elements to suit your taste. Don't worry, if you make a mistake, permanent marker wipes off by rubbing alcohol. Cutting the pattern. Cutting out your pattern with a craft knife is easy but requires patience. Please be careful when using the knife. A small slip can end up hurting you. Take it nice and easy to avoid any accidents. When you are done, pop out the cut piece, being careful not to tear the sheet. Once all your pieces are cut out, your stencil is ready to use. The pros of making my own stencil. I chose my favorite design and was able to customize and adjust the design for what size or pattern worked for this project. It's reusable. This stencil can be used over and over again, like any store-bought stencil. I didn't have to wait for delivery or spend hours driving to a variety of craft stores in search for a design that I liked. I hope you found this quick DIY project interesting. Please try it out and share your results with me on Instagram. So until we meet next time, take care and goodbye.